I'm Chloe Boyak, and I'm in 5th grade, and I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies. For wet ingredients, you're going to want to get 2/3 cups of butter, 1/2 cup, 1 cup of sugar, and some vanilla extract. Dump the vanilla extract. Friend eggs. 2 teaspoons of milk, so I do it over the sink so you don't spill everything everywhere. And all 4. You're going to want to blend this. I'd start at 1. You're going to watch it get all close together. And then after some of it gets close together, I'm going to turn it up a little to about 6. And once everything is all liquidy and stuff, you're going to want to take it to 10. And you're going to see all the yellow powder forming together while it's mixing. So you're going to continue doing this for like a minute. Dry ingredients. Do 1.5 cups of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, cups of flour. You're going to want to mix this by hand for about, I'm going to take your dry ingredients and dump them into the wet ones. Mix these very slowly so the flour doesn't go everywhere. You're going to wait until they combine. You see those little droplets getting together, that's a good thing. So we're going to put it at 2 so it can kind of speed up its job. And then we're going to go to 3. And now 5. And then we can go to 10 since there's no more flour. And you're going to place it down on your table. Scoop all this out and place it on your saran wrap. After you're done scooping all your cookie dough onto the saran wrap, you're going to want to cut the saran wrap. Start wrapping it into a ball around the cookie dough. You do this so there's like no air. What I do is I kind of go back and forth like bread. Like it's super clean. And so then after you're going to put the dough into your fridge for 10 to 15 minutes until it hardens. The dough is out of the refrigerator, and so you're going to roll it out, and you're going to make it into shapes. So I'm going to do mini balls because they are better to me in cookie-wise. So you're going to roll your dough. You're going to place it on your mat. And probably not that big. I did a little bit too big. You can make as many batches of this you want. It's really good. I think it tastes good in my opinion. It's something you would bring to the party like every now and then. And so I'm going to do a little bit more and see you in a little bit. So we did like 7. So there is like 7 balls done, and you're gonna put these in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes again. And when they're done, you probably should frost them. They taste better with any frosting you'd want. I'd suggest putting vanilla extract in yours. I love putting vanilla extract in mine. So have fun making my cookies. Bye!